Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to supercharge their professional journey: setting smart goals. If you've ever felt lost or unsure about where your career is headed, this video is for you. Now, before we get started, let's quickly understand why setting career goals is so important. Whether you're just starting your career or looking to climb the corporate ladder, having well-defined goals provides direction, boosts productivity, and enhances job satisfaction. It's like building a bridge between your current position and your envisioned future. So, what exactly are SMART goals? SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These criteria ensure that your goals are clear, tangible, and conducive to your overall success. Let's start with specificity. Instead of vague aspirations like progress, aim for precision. For example, rather than just wanting a promotion, define a title or responsibilities you wish to attain. Specific goals provide clarity and make your journey more achievable. Moving on to measurability and achievability, these criteria help you evaluate progress and set realistic targets. Instead of saying you want to improve in your career, set measurable metrics, such as acquiring specific skills by a certain deadline. It's all about celebrating tangible achievements that fuel motivation. Now, let's talk about relevance in being time-bound. Ensure your goals align with your broader career path, avoiding short-term gratification. Set deadlines to keep procrastination at bay and maintain discipline. These elements are crucial for optimal career growth. Now that we understand the SMART criteria, let's discuss the steps to set SMART career goals. Start by outlining specific aspects of what you want to achieve. Add measurable metrics to track progress. Ensure goals are achievable and relevant to your broader career ambitions. Lastly, set realistic time frames to stay disciplined and focused. Let's address some common challenges people face when setting career goals. One challenge is the fear of setting the bar too high. However, SMART goals encourage ambition within realistic boundaries. Remember, aiming for the stars is admirable, but building the spaceship first, setting achievable milestones is key. Regularly track your progress toward your SMART goals. Create a visual representation, a graph or checklist that allows you to see how far you've come. Celebrate small victories along the way. This positive reinforcement fuels motivation and helps you stay on course. In conclusion, the impact of SMART goal setting on your career cannot be overstated. It fosters clarity, control, and both short and long-term professional growth. By balancing ambition with feasibility, SMART goals act as a blueprint for success, guiding you from small steps today to grand leaps tomorrow. Before we wrap up, we want to hear from you. In the comments below, share one of your SMART goals for the upcoming year. Let's create a supportive community where we can inspire and motivate each other on our career journeys. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the art of setting SMART goals. If you found this information valuable, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful content, and don't forget to share it with your network. Remember, your dream career is not a distant fantasy. It's a series of SMART goals waiting to be achieved. Until next time, happy goal setting.